Hello and welcome to a new video. Today we will talk about a new iOS 17 feature, a new view which is called ContentUnavailable view. So let's start. So to show the no content available view, I've prepared a little example project here. So let's explain it a little bit. So basically we have a list within a navigation stack, a navigation title, a toolbar, and as you can see on the right, you get the preview. Here we have an empty list, and when I tap on the plus button, I will add some country names. So what do we do if we don't have any results in the list? Because we don't want to show the blank white screen. So normally we could say we add an age tag, some kind of image or a text. So for example, let's just remove that and wrap it in a group. So basically let's just check if we have any entries here. So if list elements is empty, else we want to show the list. So if we have entries, we show the list, and if we don't, then we could say we show a text which says no countries available. And as you can see in the preview, we have the no countries available, and when I hit the plus button, let's recompile it and restart. So if I hit a plus button, the countries get added. And if the list is empty, I see no countries available. But this view isn't really beautiful. So let's do a more Apple way, or let's use the same view which Apple uses. So in iOS 17, the content unavailable view was introduced. So we say content unavailable, and we have different initializers. We could say we just have a title and an image. We have a title, image, and description. We could say we have a title with a system image and title, system, image, and description. So what we want to use is this one. So now we can add a title. So we can say no country available, for example. The system image would be a map, and here we add a text. Please add a country to the list. And as you can see in the preview, we get a nice UI where the image is on top. We have a title in bold, the no country available, and below it in lighter gray and a little bit of smaller font, please add a country to the list. That's already it for today. I hope you enjoy and use this new view. Don't redo your own no content available views and something like that. So stay tuned for the next video. Goodbye.